Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieve this makeup look. Great for everyday wear, either running to the store or going to work or hopping on a Zoom call. So if you guys are interested in this makeup look, please keep on watching. First and foremost, shout out to Lancome for sponsoring this video. Super excited to share with you guys how I achieved this makeup look using the Tint Idol Ultra Wear Foundation. Just a few things that I'm loving about this foundation. It is medium buildable coverage. In addition to coverage, this foundation has SPF 15 in it and it's transfer resistant. So let's get straight into the application. But first, let's swatch. So I'm starting off, this is my bare face with my brows already done. I wanted to swatch these shades for you guys so you can kind of get a little guesstimation of my shade range. The first one is 500W, the second one is 470C, and this third one is 455C. And you guys be careful, do not take the nozzle out of the bottle like I did, because I almost spilled some of this good foundation. So as you guys can see, this middle shade 470C is what we're going to be working with today. On to the makeup application. Shout out to Lancome for sponsoring this video. Super excited to utilize their Tint Idol Ultra Wear Foundation and get into this match. Again, this is 470C, and so today I want to share with you guys some basic techniques that I use for applying my base foundation. So as you saw, I applied my foundation with a flat foundation brush, and then I am now buffing it in with a more dense buffing blending brush. And I like doing this because after you apply your foundation to the face, then you're able to blend it out and pack it in with that dense buffing brush. And I like to do this just because I feel like the foundation doesn't have any streaks when you kind of press and pat that foundation in with a dense brush versus just kind of wiping it on your face. So this is what my face looks with just the foundation. And now moving on to concealer, I like to use a slightly lighter concealer to conceal under my eyes and the high points of my face. You guys know this is my personal preference, but it's totally up to you. You can do like a flesh tone concealer if you just want to conceal versus highlight. It is completely up to you. So I've started using my foundation brush with no additional product on it to help blend out the concealer, as well as a makeup sponge to blend out those smaller areas in between my brows, the bridge of my nose, and up under my eyes. I love using a nice damp sponge to do so because it helps just blend everything and allows that concealer to melt into your foundation. Also, you'll see that I am taking my sweet time. I am patting quickly in small little pitter patters, but I am taking my time to make sure that I'm blending. You can't blend enough. Like, you can always blend some more. So make sure you're just taking your time when you're blending out that foundation if you're trying to come up with something a little bit more of a blended, flawless look. Next up is setting powder. I'm taking my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Blondie. I'm just pressing that into my skin in the areas in which I concealed in. And I like using setting powder because it allows your concealer to stay in place. Next up is bronzer. This is the bronzed palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm just bronzing up my face in that kind of jawline area, the hollows of my cheeks, and my forehead. And then we're adding a little bit of blush to warm up the face, and this is the blush from the Brownie palette, the Brownie Bar palette from Beauty Bakery. Now I love adding in some setting spray. This helps your makeup stay all day, but also helps everything melt together. And this is the Luminous setting spray from Morphe, and I'm just pressing that spray into my face. You can also do this before you blend out your foundation to kind of help you get everything to melt all together. I like using this after applying powders because it just makes everything looks chef's kiss. So now I'm taking some of that bronzer and just putting that in my lids just to add a little bit more dimension to the face, because we're giving you natural, and so we just want to add a little bit more a little bit more to the eyes. So I'm just adding a little bit of bronzer under on my lower lash line as well, just to add a little bit of dimension. Next up, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I like applying my lash glue to the lash line because it just makes it so much easier. You can just line your lash line with the lash glue, and then you don't have to wait super long for the lash glue to get tacky. Sometimes it's almost instantaneously tacky. And so here I'm just lining my lash line with this AOA Studio lash glue. And then while I'm letting that get just a little bit tacky, I went ahead and started lining my lips with Mented Cosmetics lip pencil in Mented Night. And Mented has some bomb lip pencils, okay? So I'm just using this to line the top of my lips and also the bottom portion of my lips. I line my entire lip, and I like to take my time to make sure my lines are, you know, pretty straight, because we're trying to get this flawless look, okay? So I paused so I could put on my lashes, and these are just some wispy lashes. As you can see, the glue was super tacky, and so it was very easy to just place that lash on my lash line. So bada boom, bada bang, we got lashes, yes. And last but not least, I'm using this lip whip from Beauty Bakery to just give a little bit more of that ombre lip look. You guys, this was different for me, but I really liked it. Please comment below and let me know what you think. I add a little bit more setting spray, and then this is pretty much the final look. Get into it. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, shout out to Lancome for sponsoring this video. I will list and link all the products I used in the description box below, so make sure you go down there and check it out. Also, Lancome is having a friends and family sale. Y'all, check out the description box for all the details for the sale and go get your foundation today. Save your coins. Y'all know I love sharing with you guys coupon codes and all that good stuff, and when sales are going on, well, I need you to know that the friends and family sale is going down right now. So check the description box. I'll put the information down there for you guys so you guys can get your hands on this for the low. So make sure you check that out. If you like this makeup look and you're interested in more makeup tutorials, make sure you comment down below. Also subscribe and like this video so I know that you guys are enjoying this content. I love y'all so very much. Thank you for tuning in again, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you tenfold. Bye guys.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty.